Crap. Hold it to the screen. See if it's still there. It's still there on hoodies on it. It's on fire. See the smoke coming out of the ground? Oh, videotape it.
It is videotaping, isn't it?
Make sure you're getting that fire. You got it?
Yeah.
Ooh. Isn't that cool?
Hmm?
That's it. Just keep recording it. Firewall. Shoot.
Oh, that was cool, man.
I did not mean to do that.